Hi everyone, I'm Misty Flowers and I'm going to be your instructor for the next several weeks. I just want to take a few moments to introduce myself to you and give you a little bit about my background. I taught elementary school in a public school district in Ohio for 30 plus years. The first 15 years I was in a classroom. I've taught kindergarten, first grade, third grade, fifth grade, and sixth grade. I've also trained in reading recovery and worked with that program for several years. The last 15 years of my career, I was a literacy coach. I trained at Ohio State for a year through the Literacy Collaborative program. And what I did as a literacy coach is I coached the pre-K through 3 and occasionally 4 or 5 teachers in my particular building in the district on the literacy framework that the district had adopted. I also worked very closely during that time with the curriculum director of our district. I retired from public education in 2014. Took a few months off, and then I decided, okay, I really need to do something. So I had an opportunity to talk with Mount Vernon, and it was a perfect fit. So in 2015, I started being an adjunct professor for Mount Vernon. As many of you know, I teach the Basics of Phonics Instruction course. I teach language and literacy fundamentals and recently started teaching curriculum in early childhood. I teach content literacy and also developmental literacy and lab. So my goal is for you as a student to learn as much from me as you possibly can. I want you to do well in my classes. So if that means I am answering emails, we're having phone conferences, that's fine. Because if you have questions, I can't help you unless you ask me. So I really look forward to our time together and our learning together. And as always, if you have questions, please reach out for me. Thank you.